put it back in. There you go, just like that. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the stuff up so and get it cleaned up already.
Daddy,
I don't know if it's still good or not, but I'm gonna put it in here. Cause I think they got this the other day when we was at that place. Okay, not gonna quite work like that. Maybe like this. Alright, now that's done. I'm pretty sure this is in the garbage now. I'm gonna put the pizza in the leftovers. Alright, and then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna she in there with daddy. She in the room with daddy. Babe. She hollering for you. She hollering for you.
Oh, thought babies?
Yeah.
What thought babies at?
Over there. Hiding now. Look at her. You see her?
Thought baby, you hired for me, thought baby?
Alright, y'all. So I'm going to get all the icing on my fingers. I'm going to use this to scrape it, like cut it and put it in here because I don't want to get all this icing on my fingers yet. So that's how I'm going to do it. We're going to do it just like that. I'll just have to wash this out when I'm done because, yeah, I don't want to get all this. Bless you. I thought you. Okay, we might need 2 of these, but that's okay because I'm on a cake. You got the one behind you. Is she trying to get that open? Get what open? No, that was pizza I had the first time, and this is baby K's leftover cake I'm putting up. So yeah. Y'all, I kind of did something myself. Y'all, I kind of did something myself today. So the phone fell, and I was trying to fix it, and then all of a sudden the phone fell in the cake, so now Zay's cake has icing on it. So I gotta kind of wipe y'all off a little bit because I can't see. Can I get another one? I believe I need to take this off because I wanted to get. You probably need to wipe that off. The icing, just so it don't like get.
Where? The icing. Oh, I see what you're talking about.
It's not even coming off.